Hello?
Hello, you're through to... Can I have your account number, please?
Hello, love. Can I make a little inquiry, please?
Okay, sure.
Sorry, I haven't got any internet, and I was wondering if you can tell me if you've got some stuff on your website.
Okay, and which items are you looking for?
I'm looking for some Christmas presents for my granddaughter. Have you got... She keeps going on. I've got a Christmas list here. The only thing I need for the moment, I can't find it in Woolworths. Have you got any underwater hair dryers?
Okay, I'm just going to check that quickly for you.
Thank you, love.
Pleasure.
That's an underwater hair dryer, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's pleasure. Okay, I do see that there's a Disney Princess Ariel Beauty. Okay, and that is for £15.75.
Okay. Is that to use underwater though?
Okay, I'm just going to double check it for you. Okay, it doesn't say anything on the website that it is waterproof.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so I'm very unsure about that.
Right, okay, so you don't know if the hair dryers, can be used underwater?
No, unfortunately not.
No. Right, okay then, well I'll have to have a little think about that then. I'll have to ask my wife, because she really wants an underwater one, so that she can use it, because she's into her swimming, you see, and she's into all of that sort of stuff.
Okay.
Okay then.
Okay, but when you are sure, you can give us a call back and then we can do that for you.
Oh, lovely. What's your website called again?
Okay, so the website is K&Co.
K&Co?
Yeah. So it's www.kandco.com.
Oh, lovely. Well, thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
Thanks. Have a lovely day, love.
You too.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.